Book 3026. In the hills of northeast India, villagers grow living bridges by guiding the roots of rubber fig trees across rivers for 15 to 30 years. And unlike any bridge built by human hands, the older these get, the stronger they become. In the rolling hills of Meghalaya, India, a remarkable sight awaits. For centuries, the Khasi and Jaintia communities have been growing living bridges, known as jingkieng or root bridges, by guiding the roots of rubber fig trees across rivers and ravines. This ancient practice has resulted in structures that defy the conventions of engineering. The older they get, the stronger they become. A living root bridge begins its life as a single, thin root carefully threaded through a hollowed-out betel nut trunk or bamboo laid across a stream. Over time, the root thickens, spreads, and fuses with other roots, forming a sturdy structure that can support the weight of multiple people. This process can take anywhere from 15 to 30 years, a testament to the patience and dedication of the communities that tend to these bridges. Meghalaya's living root bridges are a marvel of nature, with some spanning over 50 meters in length. They are a testament to the ingenuity and foresight of the Khasi and Jaintia people, who have developed a deep understanding of the natural world and its rhythms. As one expert notes, a living root bridge does the reverse of what we expect from engineering. It gets stronger with age, because the material never stopped being alive. The roots of the rubber fig tree are incredibly resilient, responding to mechanical loads by growing thicker and stronger over time. This process is made possible by the roots' ability to sense their environment, adjusting their growth in response to gravity, moisture, and chemical signals in the soil. As the roots thicken, they begin to fuse together, forming a single load-sharing structure that can support incredible weights. Despite their incredible strength and durability, the knowledge required to grow living root bridges is slowly disappearing. Fewer than 24 elders hold the full building knowledge passed down through generations. Efforts are being made to document and preserve this ancient practice, but it remains to be seen whether the skill will outlive the bridges it has created.